30 days of Kegel training can completely change a man's body. But what actually happens inside? Within just 24 hours, your brain starts activating the pelvic floor muscles. The mind-muscle connection begins to wake up. After 7 days, control improves. Blood flow to the pelvic area increases. You start gaining strength where it matters most. By day 14, the pelvic muscles become stronger and more responsive. Erections feel firmer. They last longer. Confidence starts going up. And after 30 days of consistent Kegel training, your pelvic floor is significantly stronger, supporting better erections, better stamina, and better overall male performance. Small exercise, big results. Stay consistent.